I'm slicing an onion for my ribeye panino. And we're gonna use a Kaiser roll, so it's gonna sort of just smush down to very, very thin panino. You wanna start by heating up a little bit of olive oil. It's kind of reminiscent of a Philly cheesesteak, but it's sort of my version of that. And season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. We're also gonna add a couple of garlic cloves. Really flavor this. And put the garlic right there. And we're also gonna add red bell pepper. And I love the bell pepper because it's slightly sweet. For a little extra flavor, we're gonna add some Eau de Provence. And I wanna add about a tablespoon. It's got like dried lavender in it, and rosemary, and thyme, and oregano. So we'll let that cook down. It already smells good. And let's grab our steak and some cheese. So I got a little provolone cheese, nice and sharp, so it kind of really works well with the steak and the heartiness of it. And I also got ribeye steak. And what I like about the ribeye steak is that it has lots of marbleization, which means fat, and it has a lot of flavor when you cook it. All right, so now I've got all the veggies. And we'll just kind of take them out and put them in this bowl, because we'll use them in a minute. I want to cook my steak in the same pan. Add some olive oil into the pan to cook the steak. And get the pan nice and hot. And I want to season the ribeye, a little salt and a little pepper. I'm massaging the salt and pepper all over the ribeye slices. All right, so let's get the meat in the pan. A couple of minutes on each side. Because they're so thin, they cook really fast. And just kind of spread it out. We're gonna start with our Kaiser roll here. And I love this sandwich on a Kaiser roll. It's just very light and buttery. It's delicious. Take out a little bit of the filling, make room for everything we're gonna add into it. Then, we're gonna add a tablespoon of marinara. So not too much, just enough. Just to keep the bread nice and moist. All right, so let's check our steak. Almost done. And then we're gonna add some of the onion and bell pepper. Then we add a nice little bunch of arugula. Need my greens, right? We're gonna get the provolone ready. Grab some tongs. Add the meat right on top. Then a slice of the provolone cheese right on top of the hot meat. And then the lid. And we take it and we put it in our heated grill pan. I've heated both the lid and the bottom. I just put the hot lid and push down. I'm gonna get started on my second panino. Ooh, yeah. It gets nice and pressed. I love it. There we go. We'll let this warm through. There we go. Kind of cut it. Look at that. I love it because it's colorful and it has so much flavor. And it's easy to eat. There we go. Crispy Kaiser roll and the sharp provolone with the ribeye and the sweet onions and peppers. I remember why I loved it so much. Oh yeah.